Hi, this is Mike Sheehan, and you wanted to know what the difference between term life and whole life insurance is. Well, term life is just as the name indicates, it is for a term. And most people that I deal with online that reach out to me for insurance coverage are looking for a 20-year term policy. And what that is, just means that the coverage is going to stay in force for 20 years. So the premium is going to stay the same and the coverage is going to stay the same. And at the end of that 20 years, that policy is going to change. Um, Most companies give you the option to continue the coverage, but the premium is going to increase tremendously. In some cases, the policy is just going to end. So that's what a term policy is. What a whole life policy is, as the name implies, it's for the whole life. Now, if structured correctly, the premium that you're paying into that whole life policy will be enough to carry the policy for your entire life without any change in premium. Now, one of the great advantages of the whole life policy is what I want to say, a side bucket, a amount of money that's accumulated inside of the policy as the policy grows over the years, where the insurance company is paying interest on that money. And what that's going to do in the later years is give you two primary options. One, depending on how much cash accumulates in that policy, you'll be able to pull some of it out and use it as income. And it's tax-free income, so it's not going to show up on your tax return as earned passive or portfolio income. And that's very significant, and that's a whole other conversation, but I just wanted to mention that. And the other option that people could take is they could tell the insurance company, take the expenses needed to continue this policy, to keep it in force, to keep the death benefit in force, take it from my cash value. And that's a very viable option, because you may get to 60, 65, 70, and you're looking to maybe cut your expenses, but you still want the life insurance. Now you can just tell the insurance company to take the expenses needed to keep that policy in force from the cash value. So now you still have the death benefit, but you don't have to pay a new premium. You don't have to put any new dollars into it. So those are the primary differences between term and whole life insurance. Now, if you want to know more on how it fits for you, just go on the lower left and you'll see www.withlifetimeprotection.com, or just go below there and click on the link. It'll take you to my webpage. Just put in the upper right, put in your name, your email address, and your phone number, and click get a quote. And it's going to come back to us, and then we'll reach out and we can have a conversation and decide, hey, which is going to be best for you. And then we can get you going. We don't need to sit down face to face. We can do everything online here, so we make it real simple. So again, go below the picture, go below my name, click on that link. It'll go to my website. In the upper right, you'll put in your name, your email, your phone number. Click get a quote. It'll come back to me, and I'll be looking forward to talking with you real soon. Bye-bye.